will do port forwarding of the port PAM to IO. So we'll start. First, we have to open any of our browsers, and then here we have to type so from here we transfer it to our disposable temp. We put these wheels here. It has happened. So here there was a notification about Emil. Now click on this. It will verify. Do it. Let's go to the profile. Here we have a configuration available to use for free. And that's it. We can use any premium plan. But for now, we will use the free one and subscribe.
Do the best.
Here, create a new configuration. We will select this. Here we can give any name. We have to download this pool. Take a sip of it here as well.
So next we have to go inside the mapping rules to create a new rule, and here we need to check that our protocol should be TCP host name, and here in port, instead of root host, we select root IU, and here we have entered our listing port, meaning we can enter any port here that will be our listing port. So here we
8888.
we select this and we create it. Okay, so this account is registered and we have its roles set up and the tunnel is set up. So let's copy these roles, let's copy them, and we go inside our text file and add it. So in this we have, they give different things. This is our IP.
So
this is a forward port,
but these are our listing pops. Let's save this, and after that we will install the software we downloaded, the one with OpenMPin. We got this stroller and our this
task.
when it gets added to the bar, we will right click on it and import a file that we downloaded earlier, the configuration 1. We will add that file here, we will be ready and connected. If our software is green, it means there is no issue in our port favoring and it is 100% connected, and will also give us connection inside the reds and will do all our work. If we have to see here, if a red color error comes up or if it becomes yellow or orange, it means we do not have a connection. So this becomes ours. So hopefully you learn